So today we will talk about two things, capital flight and TNCs or transnational corporation. First, we need to settle what capital flight is. Basically, this terminology pertains to the outward movement or outflow of capital assets from a country or region. And then the other one, TNCs or transnational corporations, which have definitive characteristics of having a headquarter in one country, yet owns and operates subsidiaries in other countries. In other words, there are enterprises which own or control production or service facilities outside the country in which they are based. Common example in the Philippines are Coca-Cola, Google, Apple, and others. But the heart of today's discussion will be the effect of capital flight caused by TNCs. Capital flight of TNCs can exhibit drainage of investments, outward transfer of job opportunities, loss of capital gains from corporate and trade taxes, and negative impacts to our gross domestic product. And especially in capital scarce developing country like the Philippines, economic dependence on TNCs is evident. Not owning a national industry that's servicing almost half our national budget, corruption of public funds, regressive taxation system that pave way for exemption and evasion of private companies and rich individuals, result to a government that continually fails to create jobs and reduce poverty. And once TNCs move out of the country, their investments move with them. But then again, TNCs are here for a reason. They are here for profit. So they do business. We enjoy their payments through small to medium taxes, low and very cheap wages, and some of them extracted raw materials at a low possible cost. So in essence, they are maximizing our massive population to be their captive market for their surpluses as well as exploited natural resources with minimal investments. Having TNCs in the realm of an stabilized economy led by weak laws and governance do little to its people. The capital flight of TNCs could pave way for the country to focus on building its national industry. We recognize that in a developing country, investments are of great importance, however, not to the point of total economic dependence. Because absolute reliance to the capital and industries of others will only mean that our development are also dependent on them. We acquired skills only profitable to their company's interest, instead of creating job opportunities that will be contributive in national industrialization and beneficial in honing our national character. And lastly, we need to realize that the capacity of our agricultural land, in addition with the massive labor force, are inherent factors in pursuing a suitable and sustainable development for the country.